10-cup drip coffee maker coffee machines with timer. Bulit touch-controlled Digtal display coffee maker with fully automatic function. 1050 watts. Good flavor coffee every cup. With high-quality pure flavor system.The coffee will brew in best temperature to extract the best coffee flavor and aroma. Programmable coffee maker. Easily program the 24-hour and touch-screen display, and you can wake up to the smell of coffee in the morning. Setting time for morning coffee. Compact size, stainless steel decor provides great addition to complement your modern kitchen and office. Compact machine takes up less counter space. Precision hot plate, powerful boiler brew coffee to 196 F in 5 minutes. Non-stick warming plate holds coffee at the ideal serving temperature, about 196. Ordinary machines keep at about 174 for half hours, then auto shuts off for boil dry protection. Easy to clean, detachable filter, funnel, and coffee pot can be placed in the dishwasher for cleaning. 30 seconds anti-drip design ensures no more messy spills on your counters. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.